Okay, hey everybody. My name is Elise Wilkerson, and for this project for this week, I am going to be talking about the universal design for learning. And instead of doing like a PowerPoint or a presentation or anything like that, I got creative and decided to just make up a drawing of the different things that are within the universal design for learning, or it is also known for UDL. So, just a few things that I am going to talk about that are part of UDL are basically while teaching, teacher should provide a supportive learning environment. Teachers should always be uplifting towards the students and should always be cheering on the students to become better for themselves. The next thing is just presentation. Just presenting what you're going to be talking about, presenting what's going on in general, just keeping the students updated with what's going on within the classroom and within the school. And something that goes kind of along with that is the instructional materials and methods. Teachers should, it's pretty self explanatory. Um, So the next thing is just the learning space accommodation. If students are struggling, then they can come in and you can talk to them with this. This is a good way for one-on-one with students, and I think it's very helpful to see where the student is, and if sometimes, because sometimes students won't tell you everything, and so this is a way just to kind of see just for yourself. Consistency is something that is key, I think, to success within students, and I believe even as adults, I feel like consistency within your job, within your home life, it helps keep people on track. Basically, like keeping a calendar with what's going on. The next thing would be being straightforward. Just always be upfront and honest with students. Always keep them updated with what's going on. Um, Tell them that we're always moving in the direction ahead of us. And lastly, I'm just going to talk about being flexible. Always know that as teachers and classrooms, you never know what's going to go on. You never know what's going to happen. You never know what student you're going to get the next day. So always be aware of that. I feel like that makes a big difference. If teachers are not understanding of the differences in children, then I feel like that can become a problem. But just overall, I thought that this was a good way to just kind of show what UDL is and just the different things that are provided through it. So that's all I have for today, and I hope everyone has a great day.